The science of building self discipline. What is self discipline was not a personality trait but a trainable skill. Today, you will get a science based system to build discipline. Even when motivation disappears, fast cuts, alarm clock, gym shows, study desk, someone closing phone, notification, trainable skill, not talent. Welcome to Beyond Rewire. We break down neuroscience and psychology into daily habits you can use. Loading clean kinetic text. Your brain on discipline. Self-discipline lies in the prefrontal cortex, the part that plan resists impulse and chooses long-term rewards. Our short-term player like a muscle, it's strengthenable with rep. Small repeated acts of control. Dopamine is not just player. It's motivation signaling small wins rise dopamine making the next hard thing easier. Simply brain animation better rigging by small ones. On-screen PFC control dopamine momentum, the micro-win protocol. Big goals fail because they are vague. Use micro-wins, break a goal into 5-minute tasks. Step define outcome, loss 10 pound. Convert to daily 5 seconds to 5-minute workout, 5-minute meal prep, 5-minute walk, track a chain, never break it for 7 days. Each 5-minute completion gives dopamine reinforcing the identity. I am disciplined. Calendar chain, ticking 5-minute timer. On screen, am small, win fast, repeat. Segment 3. The 5-second interrupt. When you feel resistance, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and move. You bypass overthinking and let action lead mode. Hand reaching to close Netflix tab and opening gym app. Action before motivation. Segment 4. Environment will power. Discipline collapses in a tempting environment, so redesign it checklist friction up for distraction, log out, grayscale phone, apps off home screen, friction down for good habits, shoes by door, water on desk, to do open by fault. If you space make the right action, the yes action discipline becomes automatic. Desk reset, do not disturb to goal. On screen design beats discipline. Segment 5. Habit loops. Engineering. Use cue on routine reward. Example, cue sit at desk 9 a.m. Routine write 10 minutes. Reward check mark 60 seconds of music. Protect the cue time. Keep the routine time at first. Make the reward immediate. Flowchart, timer, check mark, animation, on screen immediate, reward, sticky habit. Segment 6. Deliberate discomfort. Train your tolerance. Try on controlled discomfort daily. Cold shower, stare in seated, off elevator, 2 minutes of planks. You train your brain to feel normal under effort. Cold water knob, brief workout montage, stress inoculation. Segment 7, anti-procrastination stack. Use the stack when you are stuck. Time box 10, work for 10 minutes only. Single task model, full screen on tab, notifications off. If then script, if I pick up my phone, then I put it face down and stand up. Public progress, share a simple daily tracker with a friend or community. Timer, full screen dock. Accountability chat, screenshot, on screen boards or VO reads. Segment 8, fail proof recovery. Missed a day, no self judgment. Use the 2-day rule. Never miss twice. Long why you slept. Fix the environment or the cue, not your self wrath. Journal entry, switching phone to D and D. On screen, never twice. 7-day starter plan. Day 1, design your space. Day 2, choose on 5-minute habit. Day 3, install cue and reward. Day 4, add the 5-second count. Day 5, share progress publicity. Day 6, 1, deliberate discomfort. Day 7, review and adjust. CTA, subscribe the beyond reward for science-based self upgrades. Clean checklist animation, subscribe and card. And thank you.